Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija lockdown. Ka3na reveals Neo's big plan to dump V after the show to Lucy and Dora. It appears Ka3na can't keep a secret as she was seen telling Lucy and Dora Neo has no better plans for V but was just using her. The three musketeers were having a good time in the garden by themselves when Dora asked Ka3na to tell her some of the secrets in the house. She looked poised to say it all as she claimed she knows everything that goes on in the house. She claimed she had a conversation with Neo, who revealed to her that though he is in a relationship with V but doesn't have feelings for her, he is using her for fun. This shocked Dora to the bone because the two are the next couple believed to get married after the show. Lucy also spilled some tea, saying Ozo had an erection after grabbing Dora's boobs during the Truth or Dare game. Ka3na chipped in saying he's attracted to Dora but Nengi's one to dominate the men. These girls are really spilling secrets in the house, and in case you don't know, yeah, you've heard it now, Neo is not in a long-term plan with V. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.